we're catching a glimpse of one of the most wonderful types of birds that I've seen. And I'm not sure what kind of bird this is, but it looks like it has a fuzzy little head and an orange eye. And its beak is it's straight. And it just likes the water. It's relaxing right here. And it looks like it's maybe looking for some fish. So it noticed that we're here, trying to take a little picture of it. And there it is, you guys. You see? Another little black raven came by to say hello. Black crow. Don't have any food for them. But yeah. And then that little squirrel being fed right here too. We have a nice neighbor that came out to give it some food. So it's right here just waiting. It'll come through. It'll come through. You see? It has little nuts right there. Aww, the nice neighbor. I love this atmosphere. First for the little bird, and then for the little squirrel, and then for the neighbors and the ravens, and all life. So amazing.